Hi, David here, product designer at Supernova. We are excited to announce support for Figma's extended collections. Extended collections are a way of building collection hierarchies. A child collection inherits everything from its parent, and you can define what to override. It's the cleanest way to manage multi-brand token systems in Figma, and Supernova fully supports it. Let's jump into plugin and see the end-to-end flow. First thing you'll notice, the plugin has a new look. Updated sidebar navigation, resizable window, and cleaner layout. It all should improve the general experience of using it. In the plugin, you can now see the parent-child relationships directly. Let's review what's going to happen with our selection on the right. I can see the collections theme, brand 2, and brand 3 are going to be added to Supernova, and primitive colors are going to be included to resolve variable dependencies. Alright, let's push all of these collections to Supernova. Once the upload is finished, you can monitor the status of collections in the plugin. Now, let's jump to Supernova to see how it looks there. After syncing, your collection hierarchy is right here. Extended collections sit underneath their parent, and overridden values are clearly marked, just like in Figma. From the root collection, you can also see how many overrides each token has per theme across the whole family, which can help you spot any inconsistencies. This is also available in all tokens view. The theme selector in documentation editor and code exporters now reflects the hierarchy. You can apply a theme on a root level or pick an extended collection specific theme. Dependencies in the plugin are handled automatically. You can select any extended collection and the plugin automatically selects its required parent collections, even if it's coming from a remote file, to prevent broken references and keep your collections in sync. Additionally, we are surfacing information about remote root collection and remote references, so you're informed that you need to import origin variables to preserve the aliases. Hope you enjoyed this quick demo and please let us know what do you think about this release.